Welcome to another DrupalCon Vienna afterwards video. We are here in the Marriott Courtyard Hotel and we are joined by
Luís. So, hey everyone, I'm from Lisbon and I've been active in Drupal since 2008. I'm very active in development, in managing the community, in tooling, in systems, and that's me, that's what I do. I'm from Lisbon.
Cool. And what got you first involved in the Drupal community?
So back then, like many people, I was involved in different software and I wasn't so happy with it. And that's how I got to know Drupal. I evolved from other software, and eventually I met the Drupal Portuguese community, and very quickly was interested in participating in whatever I could do for both our community and the abroad community.
And who have your heroes in Drupal Portugal been?
Oh, that's mostly João Ventura and Ricardo Amaro. I think those are my favorite ones.
And here at DrupalCon, you've been getting together and meeting other members of the Portugal community. How has that been?
That's been quite interesting and fantastic. We have been 8 people, not so many, but very close and involved in different activities.
So you also are a member of the board in Portugal and run activities there. Tell me more about that, please.
So that place would be Porto, Aveiro and Lisbon, major cities where we are doing events, where we have meetups running. We're going to do the Drupal Day also in a few weeks from now. And we have a sizable community for a small country like Portugal is. But we do have good weather and good beer.
Cool. And in terms of camps, how has that been progressing over the years?
So we've had, back then in 2011 and 12, 2 major camps with 150 attendees and 210 attendees. We brought over some people from the outside, the exterior, and that was quite interesting. But since then we've been doing smaller events to be more affordable for our time, and that's been quite interesting with Drupal Days in Lisbon and also in Porto and Aveiro, the upcoming Aveiro event. But we're looking forward to do also major events.
So you mentioned Dev Days. Tell me more about that, please.
So Dev Days, well, there's been running this rumor running that we're going to host the next Drupal Dev Days in Lisbon. Well, that would be awesome. We're actually looking forward to it. We have registered for that and applied, and we're hoping to win that.
Cool, so we'll find out on the 6th of October if it'll be Sofia, Bulgaria or somewhere in Portugal. That'd be exciting, huh?
Oh, wow. We are definitely very excited with that, and we are looking forward to meet you there.
And in terms of your job, you get involved with Drupal lead and DevOps and mentoring. Would you like to tell me more about that, please?
So I've been mentoring people from all the companies I've been. I've been mentoring members from the community. I've been doing tooling and a bunch of other things in the DevOps topic. It's been quite interesting. I think Drupal has a lot of potential, especially if combined with other interesting technologies. And all that's the stuff I do. You can check on my GitHub and see more about it.
So, DrupalCon Vienna, what were your highlights?
My highlights? Actually, none of the stuff that was already planned. So, no sessions whatsoever, aside from one other event that I know a person of. But more involved in initiatives. So we were discussing on the community summit and afterwards involved all these things that are changing and how can we participate in that, such as the Drupal Europe event for next year and the Drupal Dev Days.
What is your involvement with Drupal Europe 2018 been?
So yeah, it's called Drupal Europe 2018 at the moment, and all we know it's going to happen, and we have a sizable team of around 15 people at the moment, all involved at some point, and we really want to make it happen, and we want to make it in a special, different way, something that can be sustainable for our community in Europe. Something that everyone can join.
And what are the opportunities you find most exciting about this?
The chance to participate, the chance to have more people involved, the chance to give room for all the Portuguese and Spanish and Italian and Southern and East people and everyone around and their respective communities and associations, to get everyone on board, to get everyone working together to help expand the Drupal universe in Europe.
Okay, thank you very much, Luís.